Many of us are unsure of what to say or how to talk about ourselves when introduced to someone for the first time. Each new encounter could be the one that makes all the difference. So making a great first impression is incredibly important. What you need is a good elevator pitch. This is an introductory summary about you, addressing who you are, what you do, why you're unique, and what your goals and ambitions are. It should be short and sweet, between 30 and 60 seconds, to ensure you hold the listener's attention. Ready to build your elevator pitch? It comes down to answering 4 key questions. Who are you? The success of your pitch depends on the strength of your first few words, so make sure you truly capture the listener's attention and get them interested in learning more. Ask yourself, what's the most important thing I want them to know about me, and craft that into a powerful first sentence. Another great technique is to provide context to make your pitch relevant to the listener before talking about you. For example, you could talk about a problem you know exists in the industry, followed by how you could solve it. A great pitch may start like this. I know many media companies struggle to attract new customers as there's so much competition out there. I specialize in business development for international media businesses. What do you do? Once you've captured the listener's attention, talk about your relevant experience and skills. You could mention a recent project you've been involved in, previous or current job roles, or any interesting achievements. Keep it brief, but try to include an example or detail that really illustrates your skills and experience level. For example, you could say, I have a degree in media and have spent the last 5 years working in the industry. I've built up a great contact book and understanding of what matters to buyers, which in my current role has allowed me to double our lead generation in the last year. Why are you unique? Your pitch should explain your unique selling points. These are qualities you have that make you stand out from others and that can benefit the listener. Make sure you state the impact your uniqueness can bring. Here's an example of what you could say. I'm somewhat of a language enthusiast and have taught myself to speak German and French. This has helped me to develop a strong network of contacts in the media industry in Europe and drive international sales. What are your goals and ambitions? You should end your pitch by clearly stating what you want and align it to what the listener is looking for. This means answering the question, what's in it for them? Don't be too forceful. Use gentle, persuasive language. You want your pitch to be a conversation starter, so consider ending on a question or a call to action. A great end to your pitch may sound like, I'm looking for a chance to further develop my career in the market and am passionate about supporting companies that are expanding internationally, such as yours. I'd be interested to talk with you to see if there's an opportunity for me to help you win more customers. The key to creating a perfect pitch is practice, so say it out loud and tweak it until it sounds natural and genuine. The more comfortable you are giving your pitch, the more confident you'll feel and sound to your listeners.